So at present, working as a Scrum Master, I need a guidance. Should I move towards project management role or an Agile coach role, or a PMP certification or an Agile coaching certification? So I do get this particular question pretty much frequently on our clientele space as well, where people want to understand which particular certification program will be good for them. So the whole idea here is that what you need to focus on is, do you want to get into delivery role in future, or you want to get into the role related to coaching, mentoring, and taking more consultative space? So are you want to be like, do you see yourself enjoying a game, or you want to enjoy the game by watching the game and giving advices outside the field? So if you want to be inside the field, then you may want to focus on more and more roles where you are playing the delivery space. So say maybe using or delivering complex programs in the playing might be a role called Scrum Master, or might be having some additional project management responsibility and staying in a delivery role. So in the current environment, the Scrum Master, so-called Scrum Master role may usually get converted into a multiple team coordination and facilitation, kind of a program management role. Sometimes people are following SAFe, they call it release train engineer. People may not be following SAFe, but they still have a similar kind of a profile where you are accountable for multiple teams delivery rather than your own a team delivery. So that's a one direction. And that may also get expanded into agile and non-agile way of working. So it's just not one way. You may have a part of your components which are working in a non-agile way. Some part of the component might be working in a different flavor of the agile. And your whole goal is delivering of a value. The framework comes as a option. You pick something and you drop something, whatever makes sense you use, but your whole idea is, how do I deliver a value to the end customer, and I enjoy that doing that. Then you should focus on delivery roles. And for delivery roles, the things like project management learning, maybe with PMP certification, maybe without PMP certification, is a good idea. That's the whole thing. Now if you focus on even consulting coaching space, then again project management knowledge is useful. Most of the agile coaches understand the project management pretty well, because either they end up using it themselves, or they may end up interacting with people. So in order to empathize with other stakeholders, they need to understand what kind of a challenges others might be going through. So in that case also, learning project management is a good idea. Similarly, learning coaching is a good idea for project manager also. So when I teach project management, I teach PMP class nowadays, and current PMP content is a lot of emphasizing on coaching. So whatever we learn in a generic agile coaching or agile space, those all concepts are also recommended for any leadership role, especially at a project management level, PMP level. They should also have a coaching as a stance. Now the PMP will use coaching as a stance for a delivery objective, whereas and they will also use coaching as a stance for transformation objective as well. Because when you take your product or thing to the customers, they also go through various change, and current PMP exam also talks about organizational change in order to make your product fit well into that particular context. So these things are pretty much overlap. What I can say is a distinguish here is, the project management role or a delivery role may not expect you to develop expertise in various agile flavors, where an agile coach role, along with coaching, mentoring, facilitating, which is a common skill in both the space, also expects you to develop a deeper understanding of various methods, various matrices, various tools related to agile, so that you can promote that particular space well. So the good news is there is a good amount of overlapping content. Facilitation, coaching, transformation, change management, organization change management is common in PMP, project management space, as well as agile coaching space. Now, since the agile coaching space also requires expertise in agile, because you are a guide and consultant, you need to develop that part. Whereas a delivery, the project management space required more expertise in impediment management, dependency management, tracking, showing people where they stand at a given point in time, tracking to make people aware where they stand at a particular space, and a stakeholder management and budgeting, and those kind of things will get added when you focus more on project management. So I would say both, and then you decide